Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Fastway's adjustable locking ball mount, or their ALBM for short. And the entire idea behind this product is security. And the way that this works, once you have the ball mount itself slid into the receiver tube, in this case it's a 2-inch receiver, but they also make the options available for 2.5-inch receivers for heavy duty applications. But once you have this installed into the receiver tube, what you'll do is pop this seal back, use your provided key to lock the system, and that actually extends pins from the shank into the receiver tube pinholes, making this a very convenient to use, but also a very secure option there from Fastway. There's a second lock on the ball holder as well on the side, which will lock the ball to the shank, making this a double secure option. Now this, like other Fastway offerings, is very easy to use and operate, and all you do is unlock the side here on the ball holder, and then once you do that, this allows you to move this up and down to get your desired lift or drop. And once you've done that, you can also, if you want to unlock it again, you can flip the ball. This is a double ball system to get to your other ball. So if you have multiple trailers, this is a really good fit for you because it allows you to work with many different trailers very quickly and very efficiently. Fastway also offers a triple ball system if that's the route you want to go. Now last but not least, this is made of T6 6061 aircraft grade aluminum, so it's very high quality, it's made in the USA, and it is very lightweight and again rust and corrosion resistant as opposed to steel. Now when you're all said and done, Fastway does recommend from time to time to spray some car wax onto the system, and that way you can keep this finish looking great over time. So on to the installation. There's really not a lot required here, as you can probably tell, but we are going to show you how this works up close and personal. It really is just a matter of unlocking a few locks, locking the back, and adjusting as you need to. Okay, so that's a wrap on Fastway's Flash Adjustable Locking Ball Mount, or their ALBM for short. If you have any questions or comments, as always, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those there. If you want more details about the product, from a part number or to find a dealer locator, check the description below this video. We'll have everything listed for you there. Now, if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe, and maybe click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.